Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by backing up your model and opening the camera and views toolbars so you can change view types quickly. Select camera perspective to get realistic depth or parallel projection for measured work. Choose based on whether you need true perspective or precise dimensions. Once done, enable the views toolbar to access preset views like top, front, and ISO. Make sure to show the position camera tool for eye height placement. This combination sets you up to control both composition and accuracy. Now you compose the shot using orbit to rotate, pan to shift, and zoom to tighten the frame. Use zoom extents to recenter the model when needed. Position camera sets eye height for human scale perspectives, and look around refines direction without moving the camera location. Use these together for accurate scenes. Then adjust the field of view when you need a wider context or a tighter focus. Wider FOV exaggerates depth. Smaller values reduce distortion and help with precise modeling. Finish by saving your current composition as a scene so you can return instantly or create animations. Scenes store camera, style, and layer states. Before export, enable hidden geometry and set profiles to control edge display for clearer visuals. If things go wrong, say the view jumps or looks skewed, toggle between parallel projection and perspective to reset projection. Alternatively, use camera standard views top and reapply orbit to regain alignment. That reset usually fixes misalignment without losing work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.